Hey guys, it's Lee Henkin here. So today's video is going to be an important one all about relevancy, okay? So relevancy is one of the most important kind of, what could you call it, principles or just things in cold email or really any kind of cold outreach success. Doesn't matter whether it's on social media, you're sending DMs, some LinkedIn outreach, cold emails, whatever. Relevancy is the key. Okay, that's really the kind of thing that kind of, I don't know, it's the kind of glue that keeps everything together, if you want to kind of look at it that way. So what do I mean by that? Like relevancy, essentially, it's basically like that, having the message actually have relevance to the people you're reaching out to. I really can't think of another way to put it, to be honest. So, like, to give you some examples so it makes sense, like, if you're reaching out to an IT director about social media marketing, like how you can help with social media marketing or do whatever it is you're selling, there's no relevance there. The IT director doesn't give a shit. Like, why would an IT director care about social media marketing? It's not their job. They've already got someone at the company who does that. The only way you would even attempt to reach out to someone like that in that context is if it was to reach out to be like, oh, hey, so and so, do you know who handles social media marketing at whatever company? But if you're just reaching out about social media marketing, as in to like get conversations started, that's an example of zero relevance. Like, an IT director doesn't care. Like, it's literally just going to get deleted straight away. So relevancy in that context would be like reaching out to a social media marketing manager at a company about social media marketing. If you've got some product, for example, that makes scheduling content on social media easy or saves time, increases engagement, whatever, let's say, that's who you'd reach out to. There's relevancy. Or the marketing director, you'd reach out to the chief marketing officer, stuff like that, marketing manager. So that's what I mean by relevancy, is like actually reaching out to the right people with the right message. That's like kind of the glue that keeps things holding together, is that if the message isn't relevant to the person you're reaching out to, they just don't care. So really important thing to think about. And it's kind of just like a theme I've noticed in cold outreach messages in general. Like, the most successful cold outreach messages, I mean, I can think of some of the best cold email campaigns I've ever run. It's because there's a high degree of relevancy between the message we put in front of those particular people, and that's really key. Okay, so you really got to make sure that you keep that in mind, like when you're actually creating your messaging and preparing your lead gen campaigns, that relevancy is there. Okay, it's a nuanced thing, I think, but it's really important because, as well, like also too, a lot of like job roles and things at a lot of B2B companies, there'll be different kind of pains and challenges too. Like like, I mean, probably, like, if we look at the example I gave about like a tool that helps with social media content scheduling or whatever, like the pain points of the marketing director are going to be different versus the pain points of, say, the CEO if you're reaching out about that tool. So that's kind of something you'd need to look at as well to make sure it's relevant to each kind of job role or function. That's also a key factor of relevance. So yeah, I was about to end the video and then I just realized I didn't cover that. I thought that's pretty important to point that out, because it's definitely true that a lot of job roles have different sets of pains and challenges, and you need to tailor your messaging accordingly to that, which is actually how you personalize at scale as well. So that's pretty much it for the video anyway. That's relevance, okay? That's how you create messaging that's relevant to people you're reaching out to. It's just think about who you're reaching out to, their main kind of challenges, problems, and how whatever it is you're selling is essentially relevant to that. That's the key. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just something that I notice people can make mistakes with when they're doing lead gen. So there's just that disconnect with relevance or something. Not sure how else to put it, but yeah. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're on YouTube, subscribe, give it a like or whatever the usual is. If you're on social media, give it a like as well. And if you got any comments, questions, whatever, let me know and I'll get back to you.